Did you know you can download live images from a weather satellite using just a laptop and an antenna? In my latest post, I showed you some of the gear, but here I'm going to break down the process and show you how I actually got the image. First, the software. I used a program called SatDump. This really does all the heavy lifting. It records the physical radio waves being sent by the satellite, then decodes the data and outputs an image. You can download it on pretty much any operating system you want, and the best part is they have awesome documentation. They walk you through step by step how to configure the software to get the best image from the satellite you choose. I chose the Russian weather satellite Meteor M2 3 since all the NOAA satellites have stopped broadcasting in this frequency range. From the SatDump website, if you select the Meteor satellite under Getting Started, it will take you to a page that will walk you through step by step how to configure the software, what antenna to use, and even walk you through some troubleshooting steps if you get stuck. I highly recommend it if you're going to try this yourself. Now, these satellites move at an extremely fast speed. We're talking thousands of miles an hour, so you really have only about a 15-minute window where the satellite will be within view of your horizon. This means you have to track when the satellite will be overhead and be ready to record. There's a bunch of websites you can use to track where the satellite is, and most will even give you a window of when it will be over your exact location. There's even some great apps you can use as well. The SatDump software can also do this for you as well under the tracking menu. Then comes the fun part, pulling the image. This is a bit hard to see because it was very sunny when I got my first image, but this is what it looks like when you're receiving data from the satellite. It just looks like a small hump in the frequency spectrum. While it was passing overhead, I was recording the signal, which then had the software decode. You know those scenes in the movie where the hacker gets this crazy window up on his computer that looks all technical, but in reality it's just fake animations? Well, this thing looked like I was hacking something. Watching the decode state go from no sync to a green light sync was so satisfying. Then I got the image. I highly recommend playing around with this because I learned a ton when I was doing this. It really felt satisfying seeing the images pop up on screen. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking with it. I hope this inspires you to try something for yourself, or at the very least, taught you something about something you didn't know. I'm always digging into something techie, so follow along if you want to see more content like this.